everyone. I hope you're doing well today. Take a look at this beautiful large print clock that I have right here. I was really excited about this because now when I'm in the dining room, the reading area, the kitchen, I can see what time it is without having to track down my phone or walk to another room of the house. So I'm going to bring this in close just so you can see it. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, nice white and black. So it's gonna go with any room in your home. So to get it all started up, you are gonna need a AA battery that you're gonna pop right in here. Okay, and then the red dial, that's how you're gonna set the time on it. All right, so before I do that, you can see that it's already starting to work. You see the minute hand or the second hand moving there. Okay. So it's super, super easy. Just go ahead and get the time set here to whatever it is in your area. You guys can see everything moving. I'm just turning that red dial. Okay. All right, now I do already have a spot hung up on the wall for it, which this is really great because it already comes with the hanging part, so you don't have to worry about assembly there. So, how does that look, guys? A little crooked. All right, guys, you can see it's further back than I am. You can see the numbers in. I can tell exactly what time it is right now. Great if, like I said, you don't have a clock in the room, or you can't see far, or you're don't have the greatest eyesight. Big, beautiful white letters, white numbers. You can see what time it is, and it's going to go with any decor room in your home. Traditional white and black here. All right, I hope you enjoy the clock. I hope you have a great day.